showing you today how to cite images for a social studies paper. I want to be able to go straight to the link that you got your images from, and therefore you cannot just say in your works cited page, Google Images, Yahoo Images, Bing Images, Clipart. You have to actually give me the link so I can go directly back to the picture. The way to do this is to type in what you're looking up. So let's say I want to look up Washington. Let's spell it right first. And I want to look up, hopefully this will give me George Washington. Okay, it gave me the capital, it gave me maps of Washington State, Washington DC, but I want George Washington. So I'm going to click on images, and now let's say I want this image in my presentation. So I just double click. You might just have to click on your computer depending on how you want it. Now I have the image that I want. So once I have copied and pasted it into my presentation or project, I now am going to highlight the entire URL address as I'm doing right now. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go down to a document, and I want a Washington image here, so I'm going to paste my image right there. Now I need one of Lincoln. So I'm going to go back to my Google or whatever search bar you use or browser you use, and I am going to type in Lincoln. And this is the image that I want of Lincoln, so I click on it. I'm going to go back to the very beginning of that URL address. I'm going to highlight the entire thing. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go to my works cited, and I'm going to paste my Lincoln image. I would do this for every single image that I have. Yes, your works cited page might be very long. Sometimes these URL addresses are only one line, or even shorter than one line, but sometimes they're very long like this. So this way, when you are all done with your works cited page, I can copy and paste this entire link, and it will take me right back to that picture. So I'm going to show you that I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to copy this link from, let's say, your works cited. I'm going to open a new page up here, and now I have a new URL address. I'm going to paste my link in there and go, and it took me straight back to this image. I hope this helps. You cannot put Google Images as your works cited. You can use Google Images, but you need to cite the entire URL address. You cannot just type the words Google Images for your works cited, or Yahoo Images for your works cited, or Bing Images for your works cited. You need the entire URL address. Hope this helps.